Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to track time in Jira. So first log into your Jira account, select your Gmail account. Now you see a left sidebar here. It offers a variety of tools and spaces and plans for your Jira project. We're going to select Apps here, click on Apps, then click on Explore More Apps. This will redirect you to Jira apps that are directly integrated into Jira. We are going to, for example, search for track time and hit enter. You will get too many apps that Jira offers for tracking time. There is the multi-time tracker. So select the one. For example, we are going to stick with this work logs and tracking time reports timesheets. It has 5,800 downloads. Click on this and we're going to add this to our project to direct time and manage our work efficiently with our team with reporting deadlines and time efficiency. So just click on Trade Free and you'll be directed to select the site and the project of Jira and click on Review. And just click on Start Free Trial to start using this app directly into your Jira project. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just leave a comment.